Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Puppy Playtime Chapter 3. The first thing you have to do is open your Steam app in your PC, and then you have to search for Puppy Playtime Chapter 3. It's important to know that for playing the Chapter 3 of Puppy Playtime, you first need to have Puppy Playtime, the base game, which is luckily free. So we're going to search for Puppy Playtime Chapter 3, and then we're going to scroll down to this option here that says Buy Puppy Playtime 3. You click on Buy, then you select your paying method, and once you've done that, you have to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you click on Buy. Once you finish purchasing, you have to go to your library and search Puppy Playtime, and it will tell you that a new DLC has been added to your account, and it will install with the game. So now all you have to do is wait until it finishes downloading and installing it, and once it's done, you can start playing Puppy Playtime Chapter 3. Enjoy!